commie circles going on as well, you know.
Or am I mistaken?
No, they did.
Wow.
Well, they ate the dead. They didn't eat the alive. So it wasn't like exactly a cannibalism, but yeah.
Well, eating people is eating people.
Yeah,
I mean, come on already.
Yeah.
Well, it depends on how fresh of meat you want.
Well, it was fresh because it was everything was frozen, right?
Wow. It's
Because you're near the equator. Argentina is like going north for us, right? Because we're going south towards Antarctica.
Beautiful, huh?
You know, when the pilgrims, when the
Settlers.
settlers were coming across.
The pioneers.
So they're already named honor.
Yeah, but before the white man came, then the indigenous people had a name for it.
Could he pronounce the word?
Well, I mean, you know, like what's it translated to? You know, like Bear Lake or look at, there's your covering up there on that railroad again, or maybe that's the China Wall way up there. I don't know.
Snow sheds.
I don't know if we're going up or 3 miles away.
Long ways. Up.
Well, if you have a good bike, it's it's a lot easier.
You need good legs.
Yeah, you need good legs. Yeah. No way around that. Wow, look at that.
Look to your right, high up. You gotta go near the window, look straight up, Dave. Look at that sheet of rock, way up.
Mm-hmm.
Not near the...
Yeah, it's amazing. Beautiful. Look down there, Dad, to your left.
Yeah. Can't take a picture, it's all guardrail.
Yeah, this is a pretty windy road. Less than a mile, 0.9. I mean, there's a chance we might get snowed out in terms of, you know, petroglyph viewing possibilities with snow all over the place.
Well, we're gonna have to try to make the old of it. However, you know what I mean?
Scrape them off or
Look
whatever.
at the snow shed to your left now.
Yeah, that's a big long one, huh?
Well, that's the snow shed I'm talking about. You can walk in that.
Wow. Yeah, up there looks like an entrance.
Well, that's a break between the two sheds. Well, that might be an entrance to a tunnel too. So some of it goes in a rock.
I mean, if you want,
That's what I was talking about.
if you want, Pat, we can first drive up to the bridge
Well,
and then backtrack back to here to see if we see any signs like petroglyphs or whatever. There's the bridge.
well, let's just go. I mean, let's just kind of.
Get a lay of the land.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know what's here. We'll see.
In 1,000 feet, your destination will be on the left.
This is what they must call China Wall, and that's the bridge. So it's in between the China Wall and the bridge.
Okay then.
And there's someone climbing on that rock right there, Dad.
Yeah, yeah, oh yeah.
Oh wait,
There you go.
Well, this is what we're stopped.
That's Matthew. Yeah, here, take a pic. That's from Matthew. Take a picture from Matthew.
On the left.
Well, we arrived at... That man free climbing got up there in no time flat. I guess that's what you do when you don't have a rope. You just try to get to the safety as soon as possible. I'm never sure just watching him. Obviously, he's experienced. Yeah, in the end, he roped up to come down.
Guy over here getting ready to go. Oh, there's a person up there. There's all kinds of people in that. Oh, there's a whole bunch in the crevice.
Yeah.
They're all over that rock.
Yeah, they're climbing it.
It must be a group.
Yeah, no doubt. It's just people climbing.
I mean, I don't know. It's like a lot of people there. Yeah, so there's a parking lot up here. That's how you can
No,
walk into
that is the parking lot.
No, I'm up on the railroad and the sheds and all that. Remember I was telling you how I watched the video?
Here's a vista
I've
point.
already been there.
And here's the bridge. So this is the old Rainbow Bridge. So it's down between there and that wall. So it's not that big of a distance. Maybe go here, Pat, while we're here. This might be what we could park here or down there. But
Yeah.
this is the area we need to scout out. And maybe we need to do some further research. Wow, look at this, guys. I mean, talk about scenic.
Yeah.
Let's get a lay of the land here.
Let's face facts.
Yeah, this is not your everyday, vista. Here's one of the first railroads of the nation right there. At least going across country. Cross-continental railroads. Yeah, there, the rock climbers again over there. It's here. Here. This is the Rainbow Bridge. Has another name officially nowadays. Some more Glaciers all over the place around here. Marker in the flat bench as described. Donner Summit Bridge, also known as Rainbow Bridge. And that's what we're looking for to find the glyphs here. Said west of that, flat rocks, and that's where the petroglyphs should be. Fortunately, it's a bit snowy down here. We'll see what's over here. That's what they call the China Wall, the snow barriers, the snow shed for the tracks. Yeah, there's people up on the old tracks there too. Just the same old Rainbow Bridge story. Yeah, check out the petroglyphs and China Wall on the west side of the curve, just downhill.
West side of
this. That's this side. A drive, I think, like Dad said.
You got to drive?
Yeah, there's probably a parking spot for that up there.
Oh,
the China Wall. Yeah. The Chinese built that back in the.
Yeah.
You know. They got a dog up there.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, he's good. I see him. He's on his feet.
Good.
That's a bonus.
Not there, but over here. John! John. Yeah, okay, he's gonna be this side.
I mean, is there somewhat of a head on that thing, or am I
Maybe that the wavy is going to the circle, which is the head.
Oh, there was.
In fact, that's what they did.
Yeah, they took the natural formation and went off of that.
Yeah.
And this one as well, like that's the head, and this being had 5, arms on each side, for lack of better understanding. Pretty wild. Might just be a design or whatever, but
I think that their idea of design was just part of their drawings,
yeah. They're literally all over. They're carved in all over the place. And some of them will be covered by snow, of course. Yeah, there's hundreds. This is a study session right here. Original from 1925 or something?
That was like 1918.
Wow.
It's on the side. It was upgraded or something in the 20s, late 20s or something.
I might want to stop here and get a picture of that bridge. I don't think I got one.
Sure.
Oh, shit, I should have shot.
Right here, to the left, right here.
Right here?
Yeah, right next to this guy.
Well, that's kind of...
Sorry, I might be cutting it. Yeah, sorry, man.
That spot.
I might be right next to the other guy here. Right here. Left.
Hold on.
Left. Right there. Yeah, that's the spot.
That was a spot.
Not really.
Yeah, that's a good spot.
Right over here.
Sorry, man. I'm not taking that.
Oh, you got another spot up here, next to the truck. To the left.
Right beside that truck, on the left. Just go beside him, like
Or to the right.
parallel with him.
I'll just do it right here.
Same thing.
Yeah, it's perfect. Perfect.
Now we're talking. Shit, man. At least I'm on solid ground. Fuck.
Yeah, that was a little hairy, that spot. Oh. And look at the view of the bridge. Oh, we get the whole view of the petroglyphs. Everything. Dutch Flats, that's what that's called, we learned. That's where that road went through. And then over here is the bridge. Still a good pack of snow in between there. I mean, that's where we were. The petroglyphs are right down there. walk all the way along in these tunnels all the way around. Goes way down there. Pretty wild, eh? You know, all built by Chinese immigrants at the time there, you know. In other words,
Yeah,
a lot.
He doesn't have a rope ahead of him.
Yeah, but a lot of times they have pre-existing wires.
No, you see the rope. It only went from him back to the...
Oh, okay.
It was bright yellow, so it's easy to see.
It's cool, all the snow still up here. Yeah, it's like flowing out, you know.
Over here in June.
If we see a good waterfall, it'd be cool to stop. Donner Summit. Elevation 7,088.
88.
Wow. I think that's where you get to the, oh no, it can't be. It's a little bit further. And there's some ski action, no, antennas. Yeah, ski action too.
There's a little ski area, I guess.
Yeah.
Donner Ski Ranch.
Is there a name?
Sugar Bowl.